Like you can see here, I'm inside my subscription, and left side in this particular column I have clicked on subscriptions. You can easily find out same thing in all services also. When I go inside subscriptions, in my account, if I have multiple subscriptions, it's going to show me list of those. I have one subscription right now, and they are showing me that the unique subscription ID associated with this is visible here. The unique subscription ID for this particular account is visible here. My role for this is an account admin, and the cost which I have consumed so far is this much. If I go inside this each subscription is going to associate with the billing period, and we can either cancel the subscription or we can manage it through this. It is also giving you a detailed analysis of your cost which you have consumed for particular resource and the spending limit which you have associated with that. There are a couple of things which we can handle into this, like cost analysis and budget maintenance and all this thing, which will help you when you want to understand this thing and you want to control the cost of your particular account. And you want to control the cost of your resource utilization. Now, these subscriptions are helping me to understand this particular To understand this thing, if I go back to my portal, you can see that on the right top corner, it is showing me my user account which is associated with my email ID. And there is an option switch directory. If I click on this, it's showing me that you have a new blade which is allowing you to choose your directory and subscriptions. Inside this subscription, I have 3 different ADs which are associated with this. Out of these 3, this is the default directory which is there. I can choose whichever directory I want to work with, and as we already know, in each directory we are going to have different users, groups and roles associated with that. I can manage all of this into one particular subscription, and then maybe this subscription will be part of my management group. So this is the full hierarchy which we want you to understand, and using this only you can manage multiple users, multiple resources and the restricted access on each one of them.